The Kay Siang bunkers have been hidden in the small forested area between Kay Siang Road and Margaret Road for decades. So it was likely built in the 1940s by the British as storage places for munitions and other supplies. So there are a total of 3 bunkers designed with double doors for reinforced protection against impacts and bombings. These bunkers, or remains of the bunkers, might be supporting facilities for the nearby camps at Alexandra Road, which is actually a former British military camp in this area. The Alexandra Road area was heavily damaged during the Second World War when the British's Normanton oil depot was set on fire in an attempt to stop the Japanese from advancing. So nobody knows whether the bunkers served their purpose during the war, but after the war the Kay Siang bunkers were, I think, forgotten and now, as you can see, generally consumed by nature. Recently, HDB and URA have cleared the Queenstown area for housing, as you can see from the numerous new HDB estates in the area. However, despite this, the Kay Siang bunkers remain undisturbed within that forested area. When you exit the first bunker, with the unstable bunker, you will actually see a path down the other side. That will be where you can head down to the second bunker. So as you go in, you realize that basically the bunker is empty. The interior of the bunker is flooded here because recently it has been raining rather heavily in Singapore, especially, basically everywhere. So if it is drier, you can actually go in, and from my understanding, the floor is basically just mud. There's nothing much inside. You will definitely need a torch because it's pitch black, even in the mid-afternoon. So the last structure or bunker, I'm not even sure this is a bunker, within the Kay Siang area would be this building, which I suspect was a house many years ago. So the roof has already collapsed. It has 2 rooms or 2 adjacent structures next to each other. You can see the remains of the roof tiles and the bricks on the floor. The bricks appear to be newer, I'm not sure why. So the surrounding vegetation has already grown into the house. But please do be careful of your footing when you are inside because the ground is very uneven. So definitely wear proper footwear when you're coming in. You can see some evidence of recent entry by people because of the rubbish here. So actually beyond this third structure, it will be the exit, or you can say the reverse entrance of this Kay Siang bunker area. So definitely have a look before the entire place gets bulldozed over.